We've had an absolute cracker of a day out in the tracks. We've had around, had some tucker. What better way to knock it all off after a big long day than some dessert? And I've got an absolute ripper here for you. I don't even know what to call this one. I'm going to call it Rick's Sweet Cones. How's that sound, eh? All right, first up, we are going to need some cones. What I've got here is a waffle cone. Get these at any sort of shopping centre. First ingredient we need, some chocolate sauce. Just take some of that. I want to get that inside there, almost sort of like you're lining the cone. We'll get our next thing going on, which is some marshmallows. I know Jamie likes the pink marshmallows, so I'm going to throw a few of those in there. The next step is to grab some chocolate. Here we go. So just knock a few of those in there. Absolutely glorious. All right, chocolate's done. Now, because I want the missus to think I'm getting plenty of fruit and veggies out here, I've got lots of fruit for this one. Check this out. My strawberries, my banana, and I've even got a passion fruit in there. However, it's soaking in Contreau. Now, because this is soaking, we don't want to put all of that wet stuff straight into the cone. It's going to end up no good. So just strain as much of that off as you can. Get some in there. Now it's going to get our fingers in here and get a bit of fruit in there. Look at that. And then repeat the process. This is the trickiest part of the whole operation. Wrapping it up without it breaking and without everything falling out. So long side of the cone down and lay it parallel to the long end. Just like a nice little bouquet of awesomeness. Scrunch it up at the bottom and just twist it up at the top there. And that is ready for the coals. Alright, so what I've done here is laid out some coals. You want it away from the main heat of the fire. The idea is just to melt the stuff in the middle. There we go, look at that. Hey, just like I bought one. Here's what we're going to do now. Finishing touch. Look at this. You'd never know I had anything to do with it, would you? Oh, beautiful. All right, so here's one for Jamie. A few little crushed nuts on top. Jamie! Mate, hey, how good's that?